Let us study the MOVC instruction, that is the data transfer instruction of 8051 microcontroller. So move and MOVX we have already studied. So what move and MOVX instruction does is it helps us to transfer data between RAM and 8051 registers. Now there are cases wherein we will have to save our data in the form of table, that is predefined data if at all we want to access. So that predefined data will be storing it in some set of memory. So to access that preset of data, such as data stored in terms of tables, we will be using something called as MOVC instruction. So to access the pre-programmed data, such as when using tables of predefined bytes, MOVC instruction is used. So here C is added to move mnemonic to highlight that the data is moved from the address in code ROM. So here code ROM refers to we have already stored, that is priorly we have stored the data, that is the code in the memory. So that part of memory is called as code ROM to a register. So whenever we are using move instruction, a register is always the destination. So we will be moving it to a register always. The first instruction is move C A comma at A plus DPTR. So we have already seen what at refers to. At refers to the address to be copied from some particular memory location to the destination. Here also same thing happens. So what is this move C A comma at A plus DPTR doing? It moves some data from the memory location to a register. So what is the address of that particular memory location? So the address is obtained by adding the contents of a register plus DPTR. So it again comes under indirect addressing mode. It is a 1 byte instruction. So what it copies is, it copies the code byte found at ROM address that is formed by adding A and DPTR. So as I said, I will be adding the contents of A and DPTR. So I'll be getting some value there. So that value is nothing but the address from where I should move data to a register. So let us consider one example now. So assume before execution my content of A register is 56 and my content of DPTR is 9000. So what happens when I add A plus DPTR? I'll be getting 9056. So what is this 9056 now? It is nothing but the memory location. So what is the data in that particular memory location? Assume it is 34. Now what will happen? This 34 will be copied to A register.